Hello, I'm Captain Bile. Welcome back to Shovel Knight Blade of Shadows. I'm gonna fight this random guy in the street. Or not. The game crashed. It's still on screen, but like I'm on desktop for some reason. There we go. Ah, the alchemist. Tales of your exploits have reached far and wide. Really? And who are you? An interested party. I only seek to find the bravest fighters and test them. What? By rubbing your shoes on the carpet and poking? I've got places to be. Then prove your worth. Dude, I got stuff to do. I don't want to deal with you. I'm fine with it. Ow. I think the payout, because he pays you after fighting. Stop messing with the wind. That is cheating. How have I not gained any health? Alright, not the boomerang one. That might be good. Can you please turn the fan off, dude? Oh. Well, that's a change of pace, I suppose. I'm sorry, what? There, jerk. Ah, you see, book knowledge will never replace swordsmanship. Despite your sizable arsenal, I was still able to land many strikes. Yeah, at the end, because you cheated. One should never underestimate even the lowest enemy. I should leave you with that thought. I should leave you with the thought that you should kill yourself, loser. I wonder if people can tell when I roll my eyes under this mask. That guy sucks. I'm annoyed that he got so many hits off at the end because I was stuck in the corner because of his stupid wind. Anyway. Now that I'm already in a sour mood, let's make it worse. And since I've absolutely proven I'm awful at platforming, let's prove that point even further on the hardest platforming segment in the game. Or an area with most of them. I honestly forgot what the item you get from here is. Just... Ow. Oh god. Oh, more wind. Awesome. Loser wants to control the wind. Actually, I don't think that's anyone's control. Oh, speaking of enemies that should kill themselves. Goddamn green meanies. That's what their name is, for some reason. And they are menaces. They are awful. I hate them so much, and they have caused me... Jesus Christ. That would have been bad. To fall off a cliff so many times and have to restart a checkpoint. I can't pogo off of the cannonballs. So now they're just obstacles and not opportunities for platforming. Oh my god. Whatever. Ow. If I can... Oh, wait, yeah, I was wondering. You got hit by it, that's cool. There we go. Awesome. Oh god, that was a bad idea. Oh god, Jesus! That was a lot. The wind is surprisingly dangerous. The frickin' vat has saved me so many times in this game, and it's gonna save me so many more in this specific level. Propeller dagger. That's another thing you should just keep, Plague Knight. That's much better than whatever we're gonna get. I don't know what we're gonna get, but I'm assuming it's not... Oh, crap. Not as good. Sure there's a mini-boss over here? Yeah. Oh, damn, what's it? Cluster is really good for leech juice. That seems like a very inefficient way to pilot a ship. Oh well, not my ship. Oh, I wanted to do a cool transition. I didn't know for certain, I just wanted to check. Damn. That's hidden. Before I forget. This crap. Oh, hello. Neat. This one is really hidden. What you have to do... How do I get down there? Okay, hang on. I think I have an idea. No, that's not it. I got no idea. Maybe from down here? But that's where the item is. There we go. Get it back on the really good one. Yeah, pretty sure I can just cheat. Because I'm not Shovel Knight. Oh no, they thought of that. I have to go, which is much harder. Alright. What do they give you? I swear, I completely forgot. Oh no, Chester's right here. I was gonna screw myself going that way. Alright, let's find out. Oh, it's the Staff of Striking. I've now gotten every Plague Knight item, and this one sucks. It's a melee attack with your cane. I want the damn propeller dagger back. That was so cool. That let me fly forwards. This is just a punch. King Knight has a similar... I cannot remember if Spectre Knight has a similar one. Where it's just a punch. I wouldn't... He's got like a claw move, but that's not really a punch. But it is a melee attack. This way, yes. Alright, after that detour. Who cares about timing? I can make my own platforms. I am finding all of these by sheer luck. I didn't know there was one here. I just wanted to kill the guy, and I had the, what's it? Cluster on. Apparently the cluster's really good for finding secrets. Thank you. Oh, no, not thank you. Oh, two of them! Why not? Why not put two of the worst enemies right next to each other? Oh, hello again. In fact, I killed you. That's awesome. Oh god, no, it was not, it was reloading. Okay, we're back now, and I have that loaded, so don't worry. At the very least, I got the cipher coin. That's what's important. Leave me alone. On the edge of my... Like, that was on the skin of my teeth for those platforms. They were not coming out fast enough. Flying rats. Apparently, lore-wise, King Knight made these. Oh, hang on, can I? Nope. That would be a little unfair if you could. Somehow. I'm referring somehow King Knight made the rats fly, which we find out in his game, which I'll play in like a year or something. We gotta get through Spectre Knights first. That's just such cheating on platforming. And I'm not complaining in the slightest, because the game cheats with enemies on this level. Go away. Okay, fine, we'll just leave. No, I want to go down! Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear! Oh, actually, I don't have any, magic. I was gonna try and swap to the, Plague Knight version of the... I completely forgot what it's called. Go down! Plague Knight version of the invincibility. Okay, can I make this? Yes, I can. I nearly ruined it, though. That, wow.
Lies and fibs, cheats and steals, my treacherous villainy makes me squeal. I never tip, I butt in line, I never clean the dishes and it suits me fine. I'm so pleased, I'm such a sleaze, this bad guy thing's a breeze.
There we go, I made it. Please give me a checkpoint. Here we are. We're gonna want the lob for item. I think the raising thing works. They let airheads have airship. They let airheads have airships? Come down here, I need to borrow something. How pedestrian. I was expecting a grand entrance. Substantial style. Always with you scientists. So I heard the most delicious rumor. You envy my suave. Daring nature, do you? Get in line, suave, daring nature, whatever. Don't flatter yourself, lying boy. Your essence is the teeniest part of my plan. My essence can't be taken from me, but if you ask nicely, I consider to give you flying lessons. Of course, my, perniculous pupil, I'll have to charge. I don't think I pronounced that word correctly. Yeah. Maybe second phase is when we start pulling out. Oh god, he can deflect them. No, that's not it. Ow. Isn't this your ship, dude? Oh god, get away from me. Okay. Yeah, keep doing that. Ow. Oh god. You are surprisingly skilled at that.
Crusher! The cops! After them! Not without me, you thick-headed tadpole!
Oh my god, I did it. Haha! I win. Pay no mind the amount of money I have. Because I did not lose any during the less than 10 attempts that I did. Yes. Despite Propeller Knight's crude courtship rituals, I admit his vegetables are romantic. A fine setting for wooing a fair male. By the way, I noticed Mona left the hair potion on her nose. Surely it was meant for you. Take it! Okay, thank you. I could have used that, yeah. Incredible! The penultimate essence. Quite the accomplishment for you. I wasn't working on that one. At least, not in the beginning. Such humility. I realize I helped, but the credit largely goes to you. Yeah, okay, Percy. Well, anyway, the time is nigh. I'll use Mona's decanter to pack up the essences for them. Be incredibly careful with these.
Thanks, Lucy. Don't wait out for me.
And here we have it, the incredibly unstable concoction. Alright, I'm going to go earn my money back as Percy tries to make it here in time. What am I going to spend this on? I have no idea. I'll kill one of the minions, just because I always do. No one knows Madge is helping us. Okay. Well, thank you for watching. I hope I have enough time. It's like 33 minutes of recording I got, but I don't know if that was enough to do so. If not, sorry, but I mean, most half of this video was me fighting Propeller Knight that got cut. Anyway, thank you for watching. Goodbye.
Oh no. The eggs are fried! The eggs are fried!